Have you ever wondered why trees stand tall and strong, weathering all storms? Could there be a secret that we can learn from them? Let's delve into the world of standing meditation, a practice that draws inspiration from the strength and resilience of trees. Much like how a tree's roots anchor it firmly to the ground, standing meditation encourages us to ground ourselves physically and mentally, teaching us to remain steadfast in the face of life's many challenges. Originating from the ancient art of Tai Chi, standing meditation is a technique that has been passed down through generations. It's more than just a physical posture, it's a state of being. It's about finding stillness in movement and movement in stillness, just like the leaves of a tree that sway gently in the wind while its trunk remains unmoved. The beauty of standing meditation lies in its simplicity. There's no need for intricate poses or complex sequences. It's about standing upright, aligning your body, and focusing on your breath. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Standing meditation is a powerful tool that can bring profound changes to your life. Physically, it helps improve posture, balance, and strength. It's a gentle, low-impact exercise that can be done by anyone, regardless of age or fitness level. But the benefits of standing meditation go beyond the physical. Mentally, it helps reduce stress, increase focus, and promote a sense of calm. It's a moment of pause in our hectic lives, a chance to reconnect with ourselves and the world around us. On a deeper level, standing meditation can be a spiritual journey. It's a practice of mindfulness, of being fully present in the moment. It's about finding our center, our balance, amidst the chaos of life. It teaches us to stand firm, to be resilient, to weather the storms that come our way. Just like trees, standing meditation allows us to root ourselves firmly to the ground, helping us weather the storms of life. Now that you understand the concept, are you ready to learn how to practice standing meditation? To begin, you need to find a quiet space. This space doesn't necessarily have to be silent, but it should be somewhere where you feel comfortable and undisturbed. It could be a corner of your room, a spot in your garden, or even a quiet place in a nearby park. Once you've found your space, it's time to assume the right posture. Stand upright with your feet hip-width apart. Let your arms hang loosely by your sides and slightly bend your knees. Your spine should be straight but not stiff. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head, aligning your body perfectly. Next is the breathing technique. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, filling your abdomen before your chest. Hold the breath for a moment, then exhale gently through your mouth, emptying your chest before your abdomen. This technique, known as diaphragmatic breathing, helps you to take in more oxygen and promotes a sense of calm. Now it's time to focus your mind. Choose a single point of focus. This could be the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body, the feeling of your feet on the ground, or even a positive affirmation. Whatever you choose, focus on it intently. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your point of focus. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to practice standing meditation for a few minutes every day, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable. Be patient with yourself. It's okay if you find it difficult at first. With time, you'll find it easier to focus and maintain the posture. Lastly, don't forget to relax. Meditation is not about achieving a state of perfect calm, but about noticing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. If you feel tension in your body, acknowledge it and let it go. Remember, standing meditation is a journey, not a destination. Each session brings you one step closer to tranquility and balance. Understanding and practicing standing meditation is one thing, but experiencing its benefits firsthand is another. Dive into the world of standing meditation and you'll find a treasure trove of benefits waiting to be discovered. They range from the physical to the mental and even spiritual. Let's start with the physical benefits. Standing meditation can work wonders for your posture and balance. When you maintain a single pose, you're actively engaging your muscles, strengthening your core, and enhancing your balance. You'll find yourself standing taller, and who doesn't want that? But the benefits of standing meditation aren't just skin deep. It has profound effects on your mental health as well. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to lose yourself in the chaos. Standing meditation offers you a sanctuary, a place of calm where you can collect your thoughts and relieve stress. It's like hitting the pause button on life, allowing you a moment of respite from the whirlwind of tasks and responsibilities. And when you emerge, you'll find yourself more focused, more attuned to your tasks at hand. The spiritual benefits of standing meditation are equally enticing. As you stand in silence, you're not just emptying your mind, but filling it with mindfulness. You're not just disconnecting from the world, but connecting with yourself on a deeper level. You'll begin to notice the subtle rhythms of your body, the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the steady beat of your heart, the silent whisper of your breath. You're not just observing your body, but becoming one with it. This heightened sense of awareness brings a sense of inner peace that's hard to put into words. You don't have to take my word for it. There are countless testimonials of people who have experienced these benefits firsthand, like the business executive who used standing meditation to cope with the stress of her job, or the athlete who improved his balance and core strength, or the busy parent who found a moment of peace amidst the chaos of everyday life. So why not give standing meditation a try? Experience the benefits firsthand and see how it can improve your life. Remember, like any practice, it requires persistence and patience, but the rewards are well worth the effort.